fucked up. Why does the world have to be this way? What? What?
Police.
Where?
What? I don't know.
Oh wait, that wasn't long enough. This is hard.
Why don't you just really? No, you're dumb. Fold it like this.
And put it at the bottom?
Yeah.
You're dumb. Like, will that like hold it?
No.
What the lighting looking like, bitch? You ain't even paying attention.
Lighting is perfect.
Lighting is perfect, bitches. Are we getting on live? Well, make sure you get me in there too. So good, you should have to pay for it, okay? Sorry. You're so damn dumb.
Yeah, lighting's definitely bad.
Lighting's good over here, bitch.
Oh, Symphony! If they going out of the country, we should do that.
We should.
Like what? Go see our niggas out of the country?
Like, damn though. I just know how I'm gonna feel, and I'm gonna just feel so heartbroken seeing them as a fan and not their wife.
But literally, we can like try to stay in the same hotel and find them.
Who paid for it? I'm really not even all the way in the spot. Fuck it. Should we still play music? Oh no, we can't if I'm alive. I guess we can. But should we still play music?
We can play like softly. Right?
Should I turn my car off? No, right? In case we gotta get the fuck up out of here.
Yeah, definitely.
It's never the little $75 fine, though, right? Or yeah. Unless it's private property. Is this private property?
I feel like Lenny's gonna look at us and because it's up to the mall, so they'll be like, they cute.
They cute. They can smoke weed here.
We ain't gotta charge them.
They cute.
We ain't got a fan.
Oh, this shit so cute. Bitch, okay. Can we get high up?
Oh yeah. Let's smoky smoke.
Let's smoky smoke and walk around Lenny.
So people can get on and see us.
Bitch, come on. We ain't trying to stay out here all day for real. I mean, it's cute, but it ain't that cute.
Don't we want people to get on our live? That's what I thought this was about.
We ain't get on live at the function.
At the function?
Look at my fucking nails. Why are we so adorable? Literally look at us. Why are you lighting that side?
Because it's like a vein right here, so that's gonna like be fucked up the whole time. So, yeah.
Now we gotta pull through this thick ass shit.
We're gonna get hot up.
You dead ass be having your lips wrapped around the blunt like.
Because I be trying to do it inside so my lips don't get black.
Bitch. Bruh, you know what I want to talk about? I'm tired of being like almost interested in a nigga and then finding out he's gay on the DL. That's the fuck I'm tired of. That's what I want to talk about.
Same sis.
So you said same.
Cause these niggas be gay as fuck.
These niggas be gay as fuck. On the low, ain't nothing wrong with being gay.
Right, like I respect it. Just be honest.
Be real.
Like I don't wanna It's one thing to be worried about bitches, but I gotta worry about niggas with my nigga, no.
And then you lying, you are like
now we have a trust issue.
Now we have a trust. It's just so fucked up out of here. It's just so fucked up. Why does the world have to be this way? What? What?
Police.
Where?
Right here.
Where? Is he coming to us?
This gray truck right here.
Is he coming up to us?
I don't know. Why would he come up here? I feel like somebody called.
Okay.
Twins going to jail.
Twins go to jail. But it's good that we have this camera right here though, because it looks like we're doing something.
Yeah.
Is that
this is us being normal.
Yeah. Okay, should I pull off now? Put the weed down, bitch.
No, he's all over there. But I feel like
relocate.
Yeah. Relocation.
Yeah. Cause they didn't show. Fuck it.
Right. Is there somebody on our live? Just make sure you're right. Yeah. Make sure your dumb ass don't go left.
So we just rode around the whole fucking parking lot.
Yeah. He probably like,
I'm dead. These bitches high as fuck. y'all see these two girls, like, don't let them. Or it's just like, bro, dead ass. If you see, oh shit. If you see, we done shut it out today, y'all.
I'm about to light this back up.
all this just to get high. Right. Honestly, though, it really is better to smoke while you moving than it is to.
Yeah, people never know, especially with us, we like top down.
Nah, bitch, then you can see all the smoke. And clearly it looked like a blunt. Like,
hey guys, we are running from the police.
definitely.
We almost got caught.
Where I'm going?
Right. Or we're straight.
Straight. Do I have to make a whole nother U-turn back in this bitch?
Oh, you're dumb.
Oh, damn. You ain't even tell me.
I didn't know you were that dumb. You just drove out, bitch. And it's... God, now you're making U-turns.
So...
And not with this bitch.
Bitches can make...
So sorry, ladies.
Sorry.
We have an inexperienced student driver.
You're a dumb hoe. Where I'm going?
Left. Past the security, so drive like you got some sense. Another left right here, up here. And they're gonna do another left.
No, we passed the security, so I let you guys.
Another left.
Bitch, this should say keep right.
Left. Fuck that. We are here.
Okay, yeah. We gotta go back to
We
being
made it.
inconspicuous, guys, because
Yeah.
it was head earlier. Oh,
that was it.
no. Right. Literally, I just pulled right through there and take the fuck off.
You would hit that wall right there.
No, I would not. Because I got all this room over here.
So he's gonna get out easy.
Probably not. You know, I can't drive.
Wow, that was fun.
Right now, we're in a whole other car.
Some great stuff always happens like when we're on video. So it's like perfect.
Yeah. Because that was funny as fuck. You was like, I'm like, bitch, what? Like the weekend? Like,
Not like the weekend. Cause bitch, first of all, we were obvious. We had the whole shit down.
we
smoking, like recording, bitch.
He was like a mall cop.
No, it was like not like a security, like not the
Oh
mall
my
security.
God.
It was like an undercover
Twins
like.
go to jail for real. Claremont twins too. Not for the weed charge.
Right. Like what y'all was doing? Smoking at Lenny's.
Right.
On the top with the
Right.
with the top down.
Right. We in jail.
Recording.
What you did? Rob somebody. What you did? Fucking beat up somebody. What you was doing? Smoking on the rooftop with the top down. Smoking on the rooftop with the top down.
Like y'all dumbass
Right,
bitches.
Okay, y'all, so we're at Cheesecake. Oh, this quality, bitch. Should we be sitting on the same side? Okay, so...
Do you like white bread or just chocolate bread?
We can just do the chocolate bread. Yeah.
Is the passion fruit margarita good? I mean strong?
It sounds like it's a whole drink. The ultimate margarita.
All the margarita is strong.
Is it strong?
It is.
Are we sure? On a scale of 1 to 10? It's like an 8 or a 9.
What about a mojito? If you like them, they're good. Is it strong? Yeah. Passion fruit?
Clearly you see the trend here. We're trying to get faded. We got bread, we got bread, we got bread.
Good chocolate bread.
The chocolate bread.
It was so funny when you were like, yeah, let's just get all chocolate bread. You know this is not called chocolate bread, right?
Yes, the wheat bread, right? Mukbang. What a drink say, nigga. What a drink say. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's just give it one.
Oh, that is cute. Send it to me.
No. Debbie.
I want that. Do me one. Come on.
Bro, I deadass used to be like little. Like when I was younger, I used to like think about the days where I was doing shit like this. Do you think about that?
Yes.
Like meeting up with my friends at the mall, like getting drinks, like doing what the fuck we wanna do. You know, like damn. It's get all real deep and sentimental and shit. But whenever I get stressed out, yes, it's just like when I get stressed out about life and I just be like, damn, I'm not where I wanna be, whatever. Like this is what I do for real. Like all we really like see are the people that are doing better than us. But we don't really pay attention to people who aren't doing better than us, you know?
Right.
I'm not saying that should be our motivation or anything, but it's just like, you know, we don't appreciate the right now. Well, really, I be having fun. Cheers to fun.
Cheers to fun.
What y'all got going on?
I'm good. We're YouTubers.
Okay, how you doing, YouTube?
That's my tripod. Okay, shout out to him.
All right. Y'all doing all right?
Yeah.
Y'all from here?
I need some more bread too.
Yeah.
Just the wheat bread. It's not rich. This bread is really hot. You're welcome. Food is here.
I want to show them the plate. Check out my plate. And check out Ty's plate. Ooh, food. Yeah. Okay, great.
So good?
Yes, it's really good. Thank you.
If I get you anything else, just let me know.
Okay.
Thank you. Such a great idea. Who would have thought the police would make us want a cheesecake factory?
Right, I'm dead. Running from the feds.
Have to make it quick.
So we all good for something? Making niggas flee the scene.